Hello viewers. Today, we will show you how to use the MyInvoice transaction feature in SQL accounting software. This feature allows you to view all MyInvoice documents in one place, including submitted and received documents. It helps you stay updated, identify issues quickly, and manage your MyInvoice records more efficiently. Let's begin. First, click on the cloud icon and select MyInvoice Transaction. You will see the MyInvoice Transaction form, which contains 3 tabs. All lists all MyInvoice documents. Submitted. Sales e-invoice submitted to your customers. Received. Purchase e-invoice received from your suppliers. Click on Refresh to sync MyInvoice documents from the MyInvoice portal. There are 2 types of sync tasks, which are loading all document and syncing recent documents. Once the sync task is completed, you will see the last sync time. SQL Account will automatically resync every 30 minutes, or you can manually trigger it anytime by clicking the Resync button. Click Refresh button to query MyInvoice documents synced from MyInvoice portal into your database. Next, you can add the invoice state column through the field chooser. There are 3 invoice states. None. The document has no issues. Missing. The document exists in the MyInvoice portal but does not exist in your accounting records. Duplicate. The document is a duplicate submission. On the Submitted tab, you can cancel submitted documents. Simply click Cancel, choose the reason for cancellation such as wrong buyer details, and click Initiate Cancellation. For the Received tab, the Reject function works similarly. Click Reject, choose the reason for rejection, for example, wrong invoice details, and click Initiate Rejection to proceed. You can also print or preview MyInvoice documents. Hold Ctrl, select the document you want to preview such as IV61, IV60, or CI10 and click the Preview button. Here, each document will be displayed page by page. For consolidated documents, they will appear as a single page, just like how we were submitted to the MyInvoice portal. Invoice numbers will also be merged when the document numbers run continuously. And that's it. We've successfully explored the MyInvoice transaction feature in SQL accounting software. Now it's your turn. Try these steps and see how quickly you can get the hang of it. Thank you for watching.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and stay updated with our latest videos, Facebook posts, and important guides on our website.